In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix your Lorex motion alerts that are not working. So you need to check both the camera and the NVR settings and your phone's app and the operating system notification settings. First is to go to the system and camera configuration. Ensure that the motion detection is turned on for the specific camera channel within the system main menu or the Lorex app settings. You can also configure the motion zones and sensitivity. Access the detection settings to draw or adjust the desired motion zones and ensure that the areas you want monitored are properly selected. And adjust the sensitivity and threshold levels. Sometimes lowering the sensitivity can help prevent false triggers from environmental factors like moving branches, and a higher threshold requires more movement to trigger an alert. So if you are using smart detection, make sure that the specific types you want alerts for are enabled. And note that the smart configuration might require disabling regular motion detection to use smart detection effectively, depending on the model itself. And that's how you can fix your Lorex motion alerts that are not working. Thank you for listening.